Good morning. Happy Easter. It's currently just before 11 and we need to leave for my parents' house at 1. Kennedy is currently taking a nap. I am so excited to see Kennedy because there's gonna be a little Easter egg hunt. So I'm so excited to see that. I didn't think that we were gonna be going to Easter because I wasn't sure when I was actually gonna be having Gray. So had him earlier than anticipated, and so we are gonna go to Easter dinner at my parents' house, obviously, and I didn't have outfits for either of the kids. But thankfully, my mother-in-law bought 2 outfits at Target, and then my sister picked them up. She washed them for me, and she's gonna bring them down to my parents' house, so their outfits will be there all nice and clean. What I'm gonna wear is, that's a question, because I don't even know, like, do my jeans fit me right now? That's the question of the morning. In any case, though, everyone had breakfast besides me, so let's make my breakfast quick. If I had pineapple, I would also add that because I really love pineapple in my smoothies, but I've got a strawberry and blueberry, so that'll do. No, that's way too many. Okay. Got some blueberries, some strawberries. Whoa! Okay, that's the rest of the bag. Okay. Oh, I've got bananas. Let me see if any of those bananas are actually still good. Okay, we're not doing banana because there's only one banana that's ripe right now, and I'm gonna save it for Kennedy. And then we've got green bananas, which obviously nobody wants a green banana. All right, I, for some reason, think that I might actually have frozen pineapple in the garage freezer. I shouldn't have come in here because I see some French fries and now I really want them. Also, yes, there is an abundance of frozen food in here because I was slowly stocking it for the postpartum period. But honestly, I will say we've been really good. I've been cooking every night. We really haven't been eating much frozen food. So, but obviously really thankful and blessed that I was able to stock this up because if you know, you know. But the postpartum period, like we lived off frozen food when we had Kennedy. Okay, I think that we must have eaten the pineapple because it is not in there. I added in some water as my liquid, and now we're gonna blend. Y'all know I need my straw. If you remember me saying that, that means that you've been following me for a while. Perfect consistency. Simple, but so good. It reminds me of those little Danimals yogurts, like when I was little. Anyway, what was I gonna say? I will talk to you guys later. I gotta figure out what I'm wearing. And I also got a clean bottle, so happy Easter. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.